Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the weekly market forecast for the week of July 31st, 2022. So last week the Federal Reserve, they raised the interest rate to another 75 points to meet the target range for the Federal. And the consumer confidence declined in June and inflation still remain in the 40-year high. But regardless, with all the best news, the market continued to move higher and finished one of the best month return this year so far. The S&P 500 be able to put it up about 9.6% in July of 2022, was the best month in November 2020. And you can see the chart here, after they on the look at the year chart, after they punch through the first resistance, they get up to the second one and pull back for 2 days and continue to go up. So right now we are on the third line of resistance here. So the market will have to test, this is a critical level in order for market to foul the bottom here. They need to go up and continue to put it up to the upside here. But if they fail to get through that area here, we are still the choppy mode. But so far, as you can see, that the overall market is getting better every day, and even Russell 2000, which is the key ingredient for a lot of small cap stock, if they're able to continue to move higher, then that's a good sign for the market. It continues to go higher. And if you look at the NQ is also trying to find the way to break through this resistance level here. If they're able to do that, and then they have more momentum to put it up to the upside. So next week will be a heavy the report, the earning report continue on a heavy list with the A&B, CVS, Starbucks, Caterpillar, Square, AMD, MGM, Amgen, and Gillette. So let's see it. Those big cap stock will be able to continue to move the market to the upside to get go higher. Now let's take a look on the crude oil. The crude oil try to punch to the downtrend line. They try to put it back up, have some resistance, pull back down. So the crude oil will be waiting for next week about the OPEC meeting. So that's why I can tell you that they will be go up or they will continue to go lower. But right now, it looks like they found a support and try to find a way to put it back to this level up there. And if you look at gold also rebound after they finish the down move here. They have a strong support. Now they are trying to find a way up. We have a strong resistance at this level here, so watch out for that. Now look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin it also gets stuck at this sell zone here, but the momentum is getting better. So if this one can stabilize here, they will find a way to punch to this level here in the future. Ethereum is a little bit stronger to be able to punch to this level. They pull back and retest. If they can hold up here, and then they can continue to push it up to the next level of resistance also. Now let's take a look on the volatility index. As you can see, they continue to go down, which help the market to go higher. Momentum is still on the outside. So let's see how far they can go here. And if you look at the 10-year Treasury note, last week I told you if they break this level of support, the 10-year Treasury note it continue to push it down even further south. So, but when they come down, they have a lot of technology stock. They find a way to put it back up. Okay, but the end of the year, the 10-year Treasury note continue to put it up high. They cause a lot of damage on the technology. However, now they come back down. So definitely focus on a lot of good brand name stock. It will continue to put it up to the upside. Next week, you also have a factory report and the PMI and the electric vehicle production update. They will give you the hint that where the EV stocks are going. Last week, the solar stock was also doing very well after they following the deal with the Senate about the solar. So you can see a lot of strong solar stock continue to put it up to the upside, like First Solar or Sunrun Solar. They have a good move from the bottom to the upside, as you can see. Now let's take a look on 11 sector of the S&P 500. You can see that the XLK continue to move higher. They have to test this resistance here, and the XLY, which is the consumer discretionary, also try to find a way to put it back up. The XLI, which is the industrial, very strong, and you can see a lot of stock in this group with moving fast, like UBS, FedEx, and Caterpillar. So those things, if they continue to have a good earning, they will continue to put this sector back to the top again, very strong. And the communication that goes sideways, choppy, go nowhere with a failure earning from Facebook, and so it cause this sector stay flat for now. The basic material would also try to find a way back up. Consumer stable, they have a good couple of days, they pull back, but the overall trend is still bullish. The energy is also try to find a way back up there, and the financial it also found the bottom and try to find a way to put it back up. And the real estate it also try to find a way to put it up to the upside also. And the XLG with the utility is pretty strong, as you can see here. They continue to put it up for the last couple of days there. So overall, the market is still doing well, and a lot of good stock that I told you the last couple of weeks, they have been doing very well. The Apple continue to put it up with a good earning and continue to move to the upside. Microsoft, it also push it up to the upside also. Google, they are choppy, but they are still found support at the buy down and then continue to put it to the upside. Amazon have a good earning on last week on Friday, and then they continue to put it up to the upside. The only thing failure is that the Meta, which is the Facebook, they couldn't do it's a bad earning. They stick in the buy down here, but they don't go lower, so it means that they will find a way to bounce back up. Netflix, it also go nowhere, so those stocks are still sideways choppy, so stay away from them for now. Okay, so so overall, if you the last couple of weeks, if you focus on the strong stock, and you can see that they are doing very well and continue. So right now, look at the S&P 500. We have to watch out for this resistance here. They may choppy the next couple of days here before they will find a way to break through this important level of resistance here. So every time they go up, hit one resistance, they pull back down before they can get up and continue to move higher. So yeah, so right now, if you can see that a lot of stock that you focus on the strong stock, strong fundamental stock, and then you stick with it, they will give you a good return from the bottom up to this level here. But right now we are at another level of resistance, so you just pay attention for that. Buy on the pullback only. Okay, all right. So that's all I have for you. If you would like to learn more how to read the chart by using a technical analysis, you can check out the link, show more link below, and we have a free webinar for you to watch, and so that you can understand how we use the technical analysis to analyze the chart. Okay, so take care, and good luck to you next week, and we will update for you during the week, so stay tuned, and we will let you know. Take care, everyone.